Hi, I'm Georgia, and the reason for this video is we have some really exciting news to share with you that you helped us to accomplish.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play along. Come on and play along.
So, like I said, we want to, our good news, all of our subscribers out there have helped us reach a major milestone in the YouTube world. We now have over 1,000 subscribers. So it's very exciting. That is a big milestone. And to celebrate and to thank you, Ken, that's my husband, and we've written this song because he's a great children's music writer. Now, some of the music that we've done, is traditional, like the Pledge of Allegiance, that's pretty traditional. We didn't make that one up. Or You Are My Sunshine. A lot of our songs, but a lot of the songs are songs that he's written. He's a fabulous children's music writer. So I want to introduce you to Ken. Come here. This is him.
Hi there.
This is Ken, and we're even wearing our show shirts because we do workshops and we do lots of programs together teaching kids our songs. So this is wonderful because we want to get all the music out there because these are good songs. So anyway, so last night we were talking and we put together this thank you song. And I can't pass up an opportunity to teach. So I'm going to teach you all the words so you can sing and sign along. So here we go. We go from your shoulder to your shoulder. Want, you pull your hands back. To thank you, just your hand to your mouth and down. And just a little side note, you're welcome is the same sign, okay? For all, you take that top hand and scoop it around that you have done. Now for done, it's going to be the sign for accomplish, because that's what you've done, okay? So you take your pointer fingers and kind of swirl them out. We want to thank you. Each, you're going to take 2 10 hands, and the back one's going to come down. This is each. And then for every one, it's the same basic sign, every one. Okay? It always, that pointer finger comes around, always warms our hearts. And so it comforts us. So you're going to swipe the top hand in the top hand, the back of your hands. Warms our hearts. Trace a heart. To know. Now if you think it's one finger, but if you know it's all your fingers. To know that you are there, because that's where you are. Singing all the songs. So song and music, same sign. So it's like you're a conductor in an orchestra, singing all the songs with, put your hands together, children. So it's like you're tapping their heads. They're like, you have a bunch of little kids right here. Children everywhere. Then we repeat the chorus. So we're going to sing this song for you live, okay? And because we're not dead, no. Anyway, so
Here we go. We're going to sing this song.
Okay.
All right. Goes like this.
We want to thank you for all that you have done. We want to thank you, each and every one. It always warms our hearts to know that you are there, singing all our songs with children everywhere. We want to thank you for all that you have done. We want to thank you, each and every one. Woo!
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And if you could just do me one more favor, if you could all tell at least one more friend or an enemy, it doesn't really matter. If you could just ask somebody to please also subscribe, because it's just going to help our channel to grow. We have so many more songs and activities and a lot of things that we want to post, and it's just going to really help our channel to grow. And it's just so much fun. So thank you, everybody.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play